Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to enable or disable confirm SIM card for calls on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, all you have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, here in settings, okay, go to connections. Okay, click or tap the connections. And okay guys, here in connections, okay, you can see the SIM card manager. Okay, tap the SIM card manager. And okay guys, here in SIM card manager, okay, you can see below the more SIM card settings. Okay, all you have to do is tap or click the more SIM card settings. And okay guys, here in more SIM card settings, okay, in call settings, okay, you can see the confirm SIM card for calls. And on the right side, you can see the switch button. And okay guys, to enable this confirm SIM card for calls, okay, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully enabled. And okay guys, to disable again, okay, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, I decide to enable the confirm SIM card for calls. And okay guys, so if this enable, ask which SIM to use the next time you call someone you talk to using a non-prepaid SIM. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully enabled or disabled confirm SIM card for calls on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.